policy one. I mean, given what you saw with Contract with America and the way that the Republicans were able to win with ideas, you've got right now, Paul Ryan has put out this budget roadmap that talks about basically privatizing Social Security and creating a voucher system for Medicare. Should more Republicans be embracing that right now?
You know, the Republicans, the conservatives have always got the better ideas. And even if you look at all the ideas we had on health care and so forth. Yes, what they need to do is they need to get out of politics and into policy. Most of the people that are here at this conference today, most of the people that you saw on the streets in the March on Washington are people who don't care about politics. They want to know what policies will govern my children's future. And when the Republicans are invested themselves in policy, they're winning elections and serving the nation. When they diminish themselves to politics, they do a disservice to the country and to themselves.
And do you think that the cuts to Social Security and Medicare are kind of something that Republicans should consider, as Congressman Ryan laid out?
I mean, last year, in the year 2009, mandatory government spending took 100% of all federal revenue. If you're not courageous enough to look at mandatory spending, the two biggest components being Medicare and Social Security, then don't tell me you're serious about fighting the deficit. You've got to put reforms in there. Now the president says, I'm going to reform health care by taking it over and making it an additional budgetary burden of the big government. You know, this is crazy. The government can't meet its current obligations to Medicare, and he wants to further bring in everybody else under the sun. So the fact of the matter is, it's not about health care, it's not about fiscal responsibility with him, it's about his power and the power of big government. And quite frankly, he might be perfectly happy to see Dick Armey die of a bleeding ulcer if government could be in charge of my death.